It's time for another unboxing. Welcome to another episode of Home Staging TV. I'm your host, Tori Toth. So today we are going to be unboxing this package from SLS Academy. SLS stands for Style, Listed, Sold. The SLS Academy is a resource that helps you grow a home staging business systematically, confidently, and successfully by providing a series of free and paid trainings at any skill level. So inside the box initially is a welcome letter from CEO of SLS Academy, Shauna Lynn Simon, and she tells you all the items that you're getting inside this package. Now, this is for her RESP training program, and this is a special welcome package to welcome you to her program. So what is RESP training? The Real Estate Staging Professionals Training is a comprehensive 22-module online certification course where you learn the tools needed to become a home stager. Inside the course, she provides countless templates, live training, and support, as well as mails this home staging toolkit. So the first item inside this box is this amazing well-made tool belt. And I love this because stagers can then wear this while they're out doing stagings, hold their tools and other resources right inside on this belt, so it's easy access. The next item that she provides in this welcome kit is a clipboard. She's famous for using clipboards on staging projects, and she also gave you some grid paper so you can actually map out some floor plans. Then we've got paint chips, and it looks like she's got 3 paint chips in here, all different neutral colors. These are Sherwin-Williams paint chips, and so this is Zircon, this is Agreeable Gray, and this is Mega Grayish. So these must be her go-to neutral colors that she always recommends her clients use when they're trying to neutralize a room. But she does not stop there when it comes to color. She also provides you with a color wheel, and this is so you can choose the right colors for your clients, and a Sherwin-Williams color deck full of amazing choices to choose from. In staging, though, we tend to stay neutral. So this also helps you if you're trying to really create floor plans to scale. This is an architect ruler, and it allows you to really measure out the size of the floor plan. You also are given these stencils to help you create the different pieces of furniture inside this floor plan as well. Next up, you get an acrylic paint set from Artist Loft and a paint tray too. Inside, you also get an SLS Academy microfiber cloth, stress ball, because we all got some stress on the staging jobs, right? And an actual measuring tape too. She also provides you with a flashlight and this amazing keychain 4-in-1 tool. Check it out. You press this and you get different bits, and then you can actually screw something, and it's got a little handy dandy measuring tape too. I love this product. She provides you with a couple of different pens, highlighters, as well as brushes. What else she got in here? An eraser, so you can easily erase what you create on your floor plans. Also an SLS Academy bag tote, so you can actually store all this stuff in here as you are going out to your stagings. And she gives you 2 binders, a resource binder, again with dividers in it, so you could put your resources as you're learning inside here, and your actual training binder, so you can store each module that you get online in this binder as well. This is an amazing welcoming package, not only because it's useful when you are taking this class online, but you're able to utilize the tools that Shauna Lynn has provided you, and then also take them and implement them into your own business. If you want to learn more about the RESP certification course or SLS Academy, go to styledlistedsold.com. And if you want to see more unboxing videos like this, go check out this one next. Don't forget to subscribe below and see all of our home staging videos at homestagingtvchannel.com. Until next time, happy staging.